How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And if you're trying to play Rollbit from the USA, the UK, or Australia, unfortunately, you're going to be met with this screen right here. So it's either going to tell you you're playing from a country where Rollbit is not available, or you're using a VPN. So in this case, of course, I'm using the VPN. I'm using ExpressVPN here to simulate as if I'm in the UK, because it's not available in the UK, but it is available in my country without disclosing where I am. Now, all you need to do really is simply use a good VPN, a reliable VPN where this service is available. So in this case, we've got 3 VPNs, by the way. It's up to you whether you want to go with one over the other. They're all pretty reliable. ExpressVPN is the one for privacy and anonymity, NordVPN for performance and a bunch of extra features that you get with NordVPN, a lot of bonus features, and Surfshark will be the one that just gets the job done on a budget. And it does it pretty well. So it's already available, but if you're in the UK, Australia, and the United States, you're not going to be able to access Rollbit. So what you want to do is just use a VPN and connect to a country where it's available. In this case, it is available in France and a bunch of other countries, I think including Israel, Ecuador, Canada, a bunch of other countries. So in this case, I'm just going to connect to France since it is available in France. I'm going to go ahead and refresh, and notice it's not going to detect that I am using a VPN this time around, because these VPNs do a really good job at hiding the fact that they are VPNs due to this obfuscation feature that they all have. So this is how you can get access to Rollbit using a VPN. If you're in a country where Rollbit is not available, you can simply just use a VPN and you're good to go. So again, you'll find the links to pricing discounts to these VPNs as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them, or simply just claim the discounts. All right, these are the top 3 VPNs overall for privacy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And especially with regards to bypassing the geo restrictions, these VPNs will work well no matter which one you choose. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find everything you need in the description down below. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.